Alright, let me get out of light. 1944. That's the last year they made them silver. I know they're going to have to be cleaned up if you're ever going to see what it is. 1954. 1948. 36 quarter. Now 30, I had some of them that was this. 39. 39. 41. 44. 64. 37. 36. 43. I might be wrong, but that ain't got a date on it. '64, that's the last year they made silver dimes. It's a $1 piece from '78. I don't know what that is. I don't know why she kept that nickel. It's 1992.
Fine silver, $1.
1993, 76, 75,
I don't know what's
77.
That yellow jacket trying to land on this.
1995. There ain't nothing special about that dollar. She just had something reason she liked it.
No, so
Food stamps, they were commodity certificates. Of course, it says on them what they are. And an old knife. That ain't no gold ring for sure. Here's a 1954 something that she got that was protected.
it has, so with bills you have to look up these numbers, and one of these numbers will be special, and then that's how you know it's worth money. I can look it up for you.
We will do that.
There you go. Money made.
A little bit.